Hello friends, this is my friendly cat which is in a playful mood, now saying meow and playing with me. Hello friends, now the friendly cat is playing with me and is having fun. It's in a very good mood today after eating cat food, so now it's playing, but still I think it's hungry, so I will have to give it cat food once more. Now it's yawning. So now the cat is playing with me. Check this. Oh, anyway friends, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. You get all the notifications. Anyway, have a nice day.